Next up here, innovative car sound, 2010 Hyundai Sonata, remote start alarm, Omega Excalibur al-1860, quarter-mile pager, lock and unlock, full security, pop trunk, push and hold the trunk button down. For the remote start, we hit the start key twice, sends the signal, cranks the engine. Give us a call, set up an appointment, 214-320-5500. We are open 10 to 6, Monday through Saturday, closed Sunday. Omega Excalibur al-1860 installed on a 2010 Hyundai Sonata. We'll see you guys on the next one.